Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important PYQ for the NORCET, SGPGI and the KJMU. Let's start. Which of the following is the normal range of adult respiration? Option A 10 to 14 per minute. Option B 12 to 20 per minute. Option C 22 to 28 per minute. Option D 8 to 10 per minute. The answer is option B 12 to 20 per minute is the normal adult respiration. Normal respiration rate for an adult is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Below 20, below 12 is known as the bradypnea. When it will go above the more than 20, it's known as the tachypnea. So the answer is option B. Next, the antidote for heparin overdose is option A vitamin K, option B protamine sulfate, option C naloxone, option D atropine. The answer is option B protamine sulfate, because protamine sulfate binds with the heparin. It binds with the heparin to a form stable inactive complex. Reversing its anticoagulant effects. So the answer is option B protamine sulfate. Next, which electrolyte imbalance is commonly seen in diarrhea? Option A hypernatremia, option B hyponatremia, option C hyperkalemia, option D hypercalcemia. The answer is option B hyponatremia, because loss of sodium and water through stool causes the hyponatremia and dehydration. So the answer is option B hyponatremia. Next, the nurse should place the patient in which position after the lumbar puncture? The answer is, the option is high Fowler position, option B supine position, option C pond position, option D left lateral position. Here they told after the lumbar puncture, not during, after the lumbar puncture. So the answer will be option B supine position. After the lumbar puncture, we have to keep the patient lie flat for 4 to 6 hours post procedure to prevent the CSF leakage and headache. So the answer is option B supine position. Next, which vaccine is given at birth? Option A OPV1, option B BCG, option C DPT, option D measles. The answer is option B BCG. In the birth or at the birth we have given BCG, OPV 0 and hepatitis B1, and measles we are given in 9 months. These all the vaccines we given in the birth, including that BCG is there. So option will be option B. Next, which hormone is secreted by the posterior pituitary gland? Option A growth hormone, option B ACTH, option C ADH, option D TSH. The answer is option C. There are two posterior pituitary gland hormones. One is oxytocin, and second one is vasopressin or ADH. Vasopressin or antidiuretic hormone. prolactin hormone. And ADH promotes the water reabsorption. So the answer is option C. Anterior pituitary growth hormone, ACTH growth hormone, TSH thyroid stimulating hormone, also posterior, not posterior, anterior pituitary gland. So only ADH are secreted from the posterior pituitary gland. So the answer is option C. Next, the most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage is option A retained placenta, option B uterine atony, option C vaginal tear, option D coagulation defect. The answer is option B uterine atony, because failure of the uterus to contract after the delivery leads to excessive bleeding, the most frequent cause of the PAs. So the answer is option B uterine atony. Next, which cranial nerve is responsible for hearing? Option A 5 trigeminal, option B 7 facial, option C vestibulocochlear, option D 10 vagus. The answer is option C vestibulocochlear, because the vestibulocochlear nerve carries the auditory and balance impulses to the brain. So the answer is option C. Next, the normal value of serum potassium is 2 to 3 millicu per liter, option B 3.5 to 5 MEq per liter, option C 5.5 to 6 millicu per liter, option D 6.5 to 7.5 millicu per liter. The answer is option B 3.5 to 5.0 millicu per liter. Normal potassium level maintains cardiac and neuromuscular function. Deviation cause the arrhythmias. So the answer is option B. Next, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin E, option D vitamin K. The answer is option A vitamin A. Vitamin A essential for the retinal pigment formation. Deficiency causes the impaired darkness. So the answer is option A vitamin A. Next, the universal recipient blood group is option A O negative, option B A positive, option C AB positive, option D B negative. The answer is option C AB positive, and the donor, universal donor is O negative and universal receiver is AB positive, because AB positive individual can receive all blood types because they have no antibodies against A, B or Rh antigen. So the answer is option C. Next, which is the first heart sound caused by? Option A closure of the aortic and pulmonary valves, option B closure of mitral and tricuspid valves, option C opening of semilunar valves, option D vibration of ventricular walls. The answer is option B closure of mitral and tricuspid valves, because S1 occurs at the beginning of systole due to closure of AV valves, mitral and tricuspid valve. Next, the most common site for IM injection in adult is option A deltoid muscle, option B dorsogluteal, option C ventrogluteal, option D vastus lateralis. For the adult, we use the ventrogluteal site because it is the safest site for the IM injection. It avoids major nerve and blood vessel. The angle is 90 degree, like that. For the babies we use the vastus lateralis, and for the adult we use ventrogluteal. So here they asked for the adult, so the answer will be option C. Next, which condition shows moon face and buffalo hump? Option A Addison disease, option B Cushing syndrome, option C diabetes insipidus, option D hypothyroidism. The answer is option B Cushing syndrome, because excess cortisol causes the fat redistribution to the face and the back, leading to the characteristic features. So the answer is option B Cushing syndrome. Next, the normal range of urine output per day in an adult is option A 200 to 400 ml, option B 500 to 800 ml, option C 1200 to 1500 ml, option D 2000 to 2500 ml. The answer is option C 1200 to 1500 ml, because normal urine output is 1 to 1.5 liter per day. Less than 400 ml indicates the oliguria less than 400, and more than 3 liters is known as the polyuria. It indicates the polyuria. So the answer is option C 1200 to 1500 ml. Next, which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Option A cerebrum, option B cerebellum, option C pons, option D medulla oblongata. The answer is option B cerebellum, because the cerebellum maintains the equilibrium, posture and the coordinate body movements. When it is damaged, it causes the ataxia, or loss of balance. So the answer is option B, it controls cerebellum. Next, which instrument is used to measure intraocular pressure? Option A otoscope, option B tonometer, option C ophthalmoscope, option D perimeter. The answer is option B tonometer, because a tonometer measures intraocular pressure to detect glaucoma. The normal IOP is 10 to 21 mm of Hg. So the answer is option B. Next, what is the nursing action when a patient develops shortness of breath? Option A start IV fluids, option B check blood pressure, option C place the patient in fowler position, option D call the physician immediately. Start the IV? No, don't start at first the IV fluids. Option B check blood pressure? No, at first we have to place the patient in the fowler position so the patient can breathe properly, and upright position promotes the lungs expansion and improve the oxygenation. Before doing anything, we have to place the patient in the fowler position. So the answer is option C, call the physician immediately. After giving the patient in the proper position, then we will call the physician. So the answer is option C. Next, the drug atropine is used. Option A, decrease the heart rate. Option B, increase the heart rate. Option C, reduce the blood pressure. Option D, induce vomiting. The answer is option B, increase heart rate, because atropine is an anticholinergic drug that blocks the vagal stimulation, increasing the heart rate in the bradycardia. So the answer is option B. Next, the best site for IM injection in infants is option A, deltoid. Option B, ventrogluteal. Option C, dorsogluteal. Option D, vastus lateralis. The answer is option D, vastus lateralis. We already discussed for the infants we use the vastus lateralis, for adult we use the ventrogluteal, because it is the safest site, because in this muscle well developed and free of major nerves, making it the safest site for the IM injection. So the answer is option D. Next, which of the following is an isotonic IV solution? Option A, 0.45 to 0.45 NaCl. Option B, 0.9% NaCl. Option C, 5% dextrose in water. Option D, 3% NaCl. The answer is option B. For they asked for the isotonic solution, so the answer will be option B, 0.9% NaCl. It is an isotonic and used to expand the extracellular fluid without causing the fluid shift. Next, which of the following is a symptom of hypoglycemia? Option A, polyuria. Option B, sweating and tremors. Option C, weight gain. Option D, flushed skin. The answer is option B, sweating and tremors, because low blood glucose triggers the sympathetic stimulation, causing the sweating, tremors and the anxiety. Next, which organ is primarily affected in hepatitis? Option A, heart. Option B, liver. Option C, kidney. Option D, pancreas. The answer is option B, liver. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the liver caused by the viruses A to E, like hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C and D, or toxin leading to jaundice and the elevated bilirubin. So the answer is option B. Next, what is the normal pH of human body? Blood. Option A, 6.8 to 7. Option B, 7.35 to 7.45. Option C, 7.5 to 8. Option D, 6.5 to 6.8. Normal arterial blood pH is slightly alkaline. Deviation indicates acidosis, like when the level is less than 7.35, it's called as acidosis. When the level is more than 7.45, it's known as the alkalosis. So the answer is option B, in the middle between 7.35 to 7.45. So the answer is option B. Next, which of the following is a sign of increased intracranial pressure? Option A, bradycardia. Option B, tachycardia. Option C, hypotension. Option D, constrict pupils. The answer is option A, bradycardia, because in the Cushing triad there are the bradycardia, hypertension, irregular respiration. Irregular respiration. It is a classical sign of the ICP. So the answer is option A, bradycardia. Next, which of the following is a clinical feature of dehydration? Option A, edema. Option B, polyuria. Option C, sunken eyes and dry tongue. Option D, moist skin. The answer is option C, sunken eyes and dry tongue. Loss of fluids, loss of body fluids leads to decrease the skin turgor, dry mucosa, sunken eyes and concentrated urine. So the answer will be option C. Next, the drug used to prevent seizure in preeclampsia is option A, diazepam. Option B, phenytoin. Option C, magnesium sulfate. Option D, carbamazepine. The answer is option C, magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate depresses CNS excitability and prevent the convulsions in preeclampsia or the eclampsia. So the answer is option C. Next, which of the following condition is caused by the deficiency of insulin? Option A, diabetes insipidus. Option B, diabetes mellitus. Option C, myxedema. Option D, hypoglycemia. The answer is option B, diabetes mellitus. Because lack of insulin secretion or utilization leads to hyperglycemia and glucose loss in the urine. So the answer is option B. Next, the most reliable method for confirming endotracheal tube placement is option A, chest rise. Option B, air entry or auscultation. Option C, capnography, CO2 detection. Option D, condensation in tube. The answer is option C, capnography, CO2 detection. Because presence of exhaled CO2 on capnography confirms correct tracheal placement, chest rise alone is unreliable. So the answer is option C. If there is option X-ray, chest X-ray, the answer will be chest X-ray if there is, because it is the confirmatory test for the NG tube ET tube placement checking. Next, the main goal of CPR is to option A, restore kidney function. Option B, maintain the airway. Option C, restore circulation and breathing. Option D, prevent the infection. The answer is option C, restore the circulation and breathing, because CPR provides artificial ventilation and chest compression to maintain the oxygen and blood flow to the vital organs. So the answer will be option C. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.